Hi, my name is Laura Martin. I'm from Madrid, Spain. My mission is going to start. The first cable which I'm going to talk about is the TS cable. It's a 1/4 inch cable. It's also called jack or instrument cable. It has a tip, T, and a sleeve, S. This cable has a single conductor with a braided shield, so it's unbalanced. I'll explain that later. Let's continue. The next cable is a TRS cable. It's very similar to the previous one, a 1/4 inch or 6.35 mm jack. But the difference is that it has three parts: the tip, the sleeve, and in the middle of them, the ring. It has two conductors with a seal, so it's balanced. And what is this? Okay, I'll explain it later. This cable is used for headphones or for balance configuration. One variant of this cable is the mini male mini jack or 1/8 inch cable. Other cable is the XLR cable. It's the cable of professional microphones. It's a balanced cable too. Because of its locking mechanism, it can make good electrical connections. Now we have the RCA cable. It's very used for consumer video. It's used for level audio signal. It's an unbalanced cable. Sometimes we need to use audio adapters, which have in one side a certain type of connector and in the other side other type. As an example, see these pictures here. Here we have a comparison between balanced and unbalanced cables. Balanced cables like XLR or TRS are fairly sensitive to electrostatic noise and interference, so it can be used in long lengths from 25 to 300 feet or from 7 to 90 meters. Unbalanced cables like TS or RCA connector are very sensitive to electrostatic noise, so you'd better use them in short distance. For lengths bigger than 25 feet or 7 meters, much of the high frequencies in the signal start to disappear. And now, the explanation of what an unbalanced cable is. On the left, we can see the audio signal that is going through the TS connector. In all of its length, the cable is picking up some interferences and noise. As a result, the audio signal that reaches the other end is the original audio signal plus noise. In contrast, here we have the sample of a balanced cable. On the left, we can see the audio signal at the male connector. This type of cables have two conductors. They carry the same signal and they get the noise, but with polarity inverted, so the noise at the other end, the two signals are off, so the noise is eliminated. I hope this can be helpful for you. I've tried to explain some differences of audio cables and their connectors. I apologize for my English. I hope you could understand me.